Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto maps in Assetto Corsa. First, you'll need to gather a few key components to get started. This process involves downloading specific files and using a content manager. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can enjoy these expansive new environments. It's a fantastic way to refresh your racing experience and explore familiar locations in a new light, offering hours of additional fun. To begin, you'll need 3 essential tools. First, download Content Manager, which simplifies game management and mod installation. Next, acquire the Custom Shaders patch. It's vital for rendering these complex maps correctly and improving graphics. Finally, find your chosen Grand Theft Auto map files from reputable modding websites. Ensure these files are compatible with your Assetto Corsa version for the best results. Having these ready makes the installation much smoother. Once you have your files, the installation is straightforward. The easiest method is to simply drag the downloaded map's compressed file directly into Content Manager, then click Install. Alternatively, you can manually extract the map folder and place it into your Assetto Corsa installation directory, specifically within the content, and then track subfolder. This ensures the game can locate and load the new environment. Double-check that all subfolders are present. With the map installed, launch Assetto Corsa using Content Manager. Navigate to the Drive section and select your newly added Grand Theft Auto map from the track list. You might need to adjust some graphics settings, especially if the map is very detailed, to maintain smooth performance. Consider setting the level of detail to around 150 meters for average PCs. Choose your favorite car and prepare to explore the familiar streets of Los Santos or Liberty City in a whole new way. Enjoy your expanded racing world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.